Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the WAG app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card to the WAG app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the WAG app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet, then click on Add a Card. So on this page here, click on Card, and with that, go ahead and check and see if you can add your card number, expiration date, security code, then click on Save Card. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the WAG app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.